Hello, Louisiana residents and those of you who are thinking about moving to Louisiana. I want to talk to you about qualifying for an FHA loan in your state, whether you are purchasing or refinancing a home. The first thing you need to know is that you need to provide all of your income documentation and you need to verify your employment. You need to have a 2-year work history. It does not have to be 2 years at the same place. It's okay if you've changed jobs. And it's okay if you have a little bit of a gap in between your jobs too. That can still work even if other lenders are not willing to help you to get approved based on your income or employment situation. You do need to, like I said, document your income using tax returns and W-2s. If you're self-employed, just tax returns. Your credit score can be as low as 500. 580 credit score or better gets you a 3.5% down payment. 500 credit score to 579, your down payment will be 10%. Now, if you're close to that 580, we may be able to help you to bump your scores up, give you a few hints that you could try and see if you can get your scores up so you could enjoy the smaller down payment. Now, the other thing you can do is if you've got a recent bankruptcy, whether it's a Chapter 7 or Chapter 13, you can still work with us and we'll see if we can get you approved without having to wait the normal waiting period that FHA guidelines do require. Now, another thing is that if you're struggling for the down payment, there are down payment assistance programs in the state of Louisiana. We happen to list 6 of them for your reference on our webpage that I'm listing down below in the comments and also the description. And we also have a lender that will offer down payment assistance as part of their home mortgage program in their package. You'll need credit scores in the 620 to 640 range for that, but I would recommend having a conversation with us because by the time you're watching this video, maybe the credit score requirements for that have been dropped. Now, you can get this FHA loan to purchase a home, to refinance a home, to do a 203K rehab loan, which means you're borrowing additional money to update the home or to rehab the home. If there's something wrong with the home, you can fix it. If there's nothing wrong, you just don't like the colors of the carpet, you can change it. So there are a lot of things you can do with that great program. Cash out refinance, so you can do whatever you want with the money. And also streamline refinance, where you're not getting an appraisal, you're just refinancing your existing FHA home for a better rate. And that's without also an income check. So there are a lot of options for you, and we want to talk with you about them. Just visit us at FHAlenders.com. I will link down below to where you can visit us at the website. Thanks for watching today, everyone, and we'll see you next time.